Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find a promo code for Pocket FM. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box I'm going to type in Pocket FM promo codes. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit search and then we'll be brought to Google search results. So we can check out a few different sites here. We've got referral code here where it says Pocket FM promo codes. Get up to 1,000 coins free. If we keep scrolling down, we can even check out Reddit. Reddit is a good place for this. So Pocket FM promo codes. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click onto Reddit and see the promo codes they've got listed here. So we can use these promo codes jotted down here. These codes do expire as well. So if they don't work, you can always head back to Google and then go to referralcode.app. This is another great spot to find promo code deals for this site. So if we scroll down here, we got all these free Pocket FM promo codes working on few accounts. So we can check out these promo codes as well, see if any one of these work. These codes do change daily, weekly, or monthly. So if you come at a later date, they might be different to what you're seeing on my screen as well.